We're just doing a quick walk through here after the rain. We just got pounded, probably an inch plus all night long. And it's afternoon, evening time, so almost a full 24 hours. And it just dumped and dumped and dumped. So I'm extremely grateful that I was able to get everything down right before the rain. I was chopping my last bit of this double OG Chem and the 5G purple right when it was dark and it started to drizzle, and then boom, it started coming down. So I got really lucky with the timing. And it's crazy, some of these buds that looked like they're gonna plump up a little more, they almost look like they got washed, like when you do a nice bubble hash. And they're just soggy wet, so I'm hoping they dry out when the sun comes back out. You don't really know till it comes back out if it's going to be good or not, but looks like this one has some nice ones still, but some of them just look soggy. So yeah, extremely grateful we were able to get all the nice stuff in. And we have these second chops, second harvest ones still sitting out here, and these things just look like they got rained on. So some super nice stuff out here still, but we were able to get the majority of it, and the stuff that was left out here is looking soggy. But something I do like to do is when you see a nice bud that's nice and soggy and you see it's nice and clean, you can come in and suck all that out of there, and you get a nice little sip of some terpy water. And you can only do that if you're a farmer, so it's something special that you can come through and get a little fresh taste. Just a little come through and a little sip of water. But yeah, hopefully everybody's doing good with this crazy weather. Usually we don't get the early rains, and if we do, they're not like super bad. But yeah, here we are. So hopefully everybody's doing good. Peace.